What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are working on the Mercedes C230 compressor that I got for 500 bucks. We're gonna replace the thermostat. I got a problem here. I got a stuck open thermostat. This car barely ever gets the temperature. I can squeeze this and move coolant through, which means this is just wide open. I'm gonna take a shortcut. This is a $500 beater car. It already has the wrong coolant in it. I'll probably get to changing it out sometime, but I don't have that right now. So we're just gonna drain a little bit of it, and I'm gonna see if I can get away with just popping this off and topping the coolant back off. So check the description below if you're doing this job as well. I got an OEM Mercedes thermostat right here on Amazon, even genuine part, shipped right to my door for only like 30 bucks. So check out the link in the description, and yeah, let's jump into replacing this. First thing first, slide under here, and you can stick a screwdriver right in there. We're gonna turn that until we get some coolant flow here. There we are. Maybe I'll drain it all. We'll see how I feel. Then while that's draining, we're going to loosen the hose. Come on over here and loosen this one up. And then we'll pop these off. These things work fantastic sometimes. Look at that. Bloop. We blooped it. Bloop. Alright, that's down and out of the way. This guy is mega soft. This clamp is a little stuck in. Who knows if this has ever even been removed? I'm just gonna drain all the coolant and probably do a coolant flush. I'm already this far, why not? Let's get it right. I wasn't planning on making a video, so I kind of just pulled out my cell phone and started recording. No, I did not paint any of this red either. This is a beater car I got because my Subaru still is not running. Goddamn Subarus. But either way, we are getting this. This thing runs fantastic. This is a great daily driver. And so far, this has been one of the cheapest, easiest cars I've worked on. So kudos to this thing. All right, she's a little stuck, so work this little pick hose around it without ripping it, hopefully. It's just great having the right tools there here. Ew. Oh, is that torn up? Or just sludge? It's not looking good in there. It's like the hose is deteriorating. Might be time to replace this guy. All right, now pretty obvious. Take off these 10s holding it in. And you should be able to just pull it right off. See, it's just not closing enough right there. So it looks like it's just not closing enough right at the top. And it's letting liquid get through. Whereas you can see on a new one, it's a lot more sealed up top. No liquid getting through, so. Obviously, take out your O-ring. That's also literally coming apart in pieces. Gotta love the desert. So then you got the new O-ring on there, surface all cleaned out. The O-ring likes to pop off, but I'll slide it in there. Hard to do with one hand, but you can probably even just set it in there. And maybe we can squeeze it on like so. We'll see if that works. Remember, it's very soft aluminum bolts too, or aluminum that you're going into, so just go around the world nice and slow, nice and easy. You know, they don't gotta be super tight. My hose is rerouted differently because I don't have the plastic shroud here too, but that pretty much, besides filling it up with coolant, I'm probably gonna end up flushing this out to get the green stuff out. We're gonna put the blue stuff in, and I'm probably gonna go grab a new hose of this real quick. But that about wraps it up for the thermostat job. That easy, that simple. Don't take that to a shop. Now, of course, you got to turn it on, cycle it through the heat cycle, turn your heat on, make sure you burp the system, make sure no air is in the system. And while I wait, why not drain a diff fluid? Looks like the owner took good care of it because it's actually really clean. So just gave myself an extra task for no reason, but it's all good.